Hello, teacher and classmates. In this opportunity, I am going to simulate a job interview asking and answering some questions. So let's go. 1. Could you tell me a little about yourself? My name is Miriam Viviana Estupiñán. I am 37 years old. I am married. I live in Bogota, Colombia with my husband and my daughter. She is 14 years old. I am studying psychology. I am in semester 8. I like to read, study, investigate for every topic, work in nature, and sometimes cooking. In my free times, I love spending time with my family. We go to cinema or visit different places. I work for a written communications company. I am a salesperson. 2. Why do you want to work for this company? Because it's the first company in the technology industry. It is also one of the companies in the ranking of the great place to work. For me, it is very important that the company thinks of the employees because if the employers are happy, the company grows, it is more stable, and you will earn more money because the employees like this job and they will work with commitment and passion. 3. What are your goals for the future? I have many goals for the future. In a short time, I want to celebrate my daughter's 15th birthday, finish university course with a good average, and start a new job applying my knowledge in my career, in preferred in this company. A medium time, I want to finish my profession and start specializing in organizational psychology, and I want to visit Cancun, Mexico with my husband and my daughter. For a long time, I want to travel for the different places of the world, in special USA, Europe, and Asia. 4. What are your greatest strengths and weaknesses? I stand out for being an honest person with a great sense of responsibility and in a search of new challenge that allowed me to learn more every day. Perseverance, discipline, and teamwork are characteristics that distinguish me. I am passionate about service, and I believe that life is best of doing what we like to do in an excellent way. About my weakness, I am serious and perfectionist and want everything to be perfect, which sometimes stresses me out. 5. Can you tell me a little bit more about the skills that you transfer from your previous line of work to our department here? With my background in different companies and the skills I have, this company will have a person who manages and leads different processes with the human resources team, whereas a group we seek to achieve to propose organizational objectives, especially in these times of expansions that they are going through, to be a reference area for the entire company. Thank you for your time. See you. Bye.